Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. Today is Friday, May the 14th, 2010. Currently, what we have right here on the screen is a updated track record for those of you who have been tracking the Vulcan Report, especially the Forex side of things and the gold and silver spot. Just to let you know, I do have links in the sidebar to the Vulcan Report, the real-time track record. This is a real-time track record. It's a real account, real trades, and if you go to the currency.com website link, you have to register in order to be able to view. But anyway, what it does is it's a community of traders all over the world, top traders who trade currencies and trade gold and silver and Forex. And you can track us by performance. And you can take a look, and you can go into each person's profile, and you can go to the leaderboards and all that good stuff. Anyway, I figured I would just, it's a good time to show it to you. This is my fund. This is me here. It's showing my annual return. This right here is an overall ranking. Of course, the closer to 100 you get, the better. And then there's a risk score. There's different parameters they use to show it. This is my profile. Here's how long I've been trading for, and trades that have been done, looking at this week and things like that. And then if you scroll down, this is the meat of it right here. Just so you know, that the trade recommendations I give in the videos and all that, for the most part, my main focus is on the Forex side and gold and silver spot. Not really doing anything in the stocks right now, only because I'm getting more bang for my buck with the Forex. I get more leverage, and I get more liquidity, and the type of stop and limit orders and special order types that I use are more favorable trade in the bucket shops with the Forex. Okay. Here it says recent activity. This right here shows pending orders, cancel orders, and close orders, and open orders. So these are real-time orders that were put on. And not only that, but everything that I do is also tweeted. The Vulcan Report is tweeted in real time. Every time I do any activity and the Vulcan Report, or any activity on the YouTube account, or any activity on my trading account, it's linked. They're all linked in real time, and you can see what I'm doing. You can actually follow it in real time on Twitter. Alright, this right here is showing, this is the fund, the post scan fund. This is the community on this particular website for all the trader boards, and then it compares you to the S&P 500 as well. If you scroll down here, you'll see that the annualized return for the Vulcan Report is 183.03%. Closed trades here 10. Out of 10 trades, all 10 of them have been winners. Some long, some short. Different currency pairs, all that. 100%. Okay? Shows max drawdown, percent losing days, consistency, volatility. I'm at 183%. The communities overall is at a negative 43%. The S&P 500 is returning 14.10%. Okay? And it breaks it down here. Okay? And then you see the green graph is me, up, 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 up. All right? And it's showing you everything. Okay? And if you want to look at the last 10 days, same thing. If you annualize it over the last 10 days, this is what the annualized return would be. It would be 5,757.29% return. Community will be down 72%. S&P in the last 10 days, its annualized return is at negative 36%. All right, 1 month. Here it is. Here it is now. It changed. See, the numbers change, and then here's year to date. Okay, so it's showing you what's what, and then you can look at. There's a risk parameter profile too, letting you know how we do things. Some people, they trade dangerously, but I'm pretty careful in how I do things. I like to manage my risk. So here's the performance score for me, and this is the community, and this is the S&P 500. Okay, the lower the risk score, the better. You see my risk score here is low. Max drawdown is 0. All right. Percent days losing, here you go, and volatility, the lower number the better. And as you can see here, it's ranking everything. Okay, so you can see where I'm at and where they're at. Steep drawdowns here, none for me. Days losing, pretty much almost none for me. Volatility, very low for me. So you can see that I don't just talk it, talk the walk. I walk it and I talk it. So you know what I do and how I do it. Now, let me show you something else. Okay, what I wanted to show you was the other portfolios. This is the one for the stocks and the ETFs. And this is the public profile here on the Marketocracy account. Just again to let you know the performance. The orange here is me, okay? Comparing me to the top M100, the S&P 500, the Dow, and the NASDAQ. Well, if you scroll down, breaks the fund down by sector and style and all that garbage. But here's where the meat and potatoes is, right here. Fund rankings for the 6-month period ending December 31st of 2009. This fund outperformed 60.3% of the other funds on the site. Look at the return here. These percentages is all me. See these stars? A green star means that this particular fund was in the top 25%. A blue star means it was in the M1. It made the M100 top for that particular sector and quarter. Well, as you can see, here's all the numbers here. These are the percentage. These are the returns. This is also tracked. Everything I do is tracked. All right. This one here is another special one. Let me just show it to you real quick. You can go in here. You can click this too. All these links are in the sidebar. All right. This particular one here, they just updated it. But look at these returns here. This one had 2 blue stars. It was in the M100. This particular fund here. It was in the M100 for these 2 quarters here, but now they're refreshing and re-updating for the new month. So we'll see what that one is. This one is not actively managed that much because my main focus now has been in the Forex. But as you can see, it's no joke. All this is real. I don't just talk it. I do it because, again, my thing is to help as many people as I can and not to do anything else but to help. Okay, so everything that I do is here. It's in the links in the sidebars. You can track everything that I do, all my entry points, everything that I do, so that you can get a feel and know who it is that's who's telling you. So now you have it. Okay, you've seen it all. You know what I do. You know how I do it, and you can make your own decisions as far as the Vulcan report is concerned. And for those of you, if it's really helping you, then I would encourage you to pass the information along to your friends and your family and help them too. I mean, people need all the help they can get these days. Okay. So be encouraged and stay tuned for the incoming report.